Hello guys, today to show you that I watched the movie. It's called Transformers the Last Night. So here's the funny part, and the action scene, and the ending video part of about Bumblebee and Optimus will fight, and to fight Decepticon Principles. So let's let's get started first. Introduction. Long time ago, the 1600 BC of the Autobots, the Knights. So, I was playing the GTA Online. That yeah. And also today, that Kate Yeager and Elizabeth that that it has to do be like an Autobots with that with crosshairs, Hound, Bumblebee, Drift, and Optimus Prime. And there's some other about Cutman, an English lord, Philippi, and a Kate Yeager in the England scene. That that is very awesome. Here's the funny part. That Hound, he's saying a B word, fight the Megatron, and then he almost did. And then there's some ways that Crosshairs was cracking his knuckles, fingers, robot. And yeah, and the last ending about the Optimus Prime and Bumblebee are fighting, and then seeing that Decepticon that it has finally voiced Bumblebee. His voice is back. And then finally, lastly, that the Autobots and the Knights will defeat Quinton. I don't know her name, the female Decepticon. Let's say Q name, her female. And then also the Megatron was cut his arm with Optimus, and then he kicks him out. And then Megatron is dead. And finally, Autobots all saved the Earth. And now that is good ending scene. And Bumblebee's voice is back. And they thank to the TFK about the sucker. Well guys, thank you for watching guys. I watched the Transformers the last night. It's very awesome. If you link below, I have 18 subscribers. I will see you next time on my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye. Bye guys.